So my favorite tube amp, my Ampeg GVT, just got 3 preamp tubes and 2 power tubes. Preamp tubes were installed earlier this week, and the power tubes just got installed now. Plugging in the old tally by the Christmas tree. And thought it might be cool to show you the back of it.